Welcome back to Travel and Work, your one-stop channel for latest updates, news and information about traveling, working, studying and living abroad. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, you are welcome and I hope you are doing great. James Cleverly, the UK Home Secretary, has officially announced on Monday the 5th of December that they will cut down on migration and ban dependents of health and care workers and also increase the salary threshold. This has now become official. In his statement, he said that they will stop overseas care firms in England and it will be regulated by the Care Quality Commission to stop sponsoring visas. They will also stop immigration undercutting the salary of British workers. In today's video, we will discuss the new 5-point plan adopted by the government. This was announced on Monday, the 5th of December 2023 by the UK Home Secretary. You want to make sure you watch the video through to the end. Kindly subscribe to our channel if you haven't and turn on the notification bell icon to be notified when we have new updates. Now, let's delve into the video. British Home Secretary James Cleverly has announced a 5-point plan to stop what he qualifies as immigration abusers. He said in his statement that this 5-point agenda is expected to deliver the biggest ever reduction in net migration. He went further to add that they will be taking more drastic action than any other government before. This is majorly aimed at bringing net migration down. He said, these new rules will bring reduction in the number of foreign graduate students who will be allowed to bring family members to the UK. Anyone coming into the UK will have to adhere to some of this UK 5-points plan. I will now list the 5-point plan. Please listen carefully. Number 1 is that the UK will stop overseas care workers from bringing family dependents. The government has announced early this year that starting from January 2024, international students will be banned from bringing family members with them to the UK. They could only allow dependents if the students are on a postgraduate research program. According to this new agenda, the UK will also stop overseas care workers from bringing family dependents. They will require care firms in England to be registered with the Care Quality Commission to sponsor visas. Number 2 on the plan is the minimum salary for skilled workers visas. It will be increased from £25,600 to £38,100 from next spring. Those using the skilled worker route must be in line with the required full-time wage. Employers are required to reduce employing foreign workers. They are encouraged to invest in training and upskilling British workers instead. Number 3 is the dependents of skilled workers. They will no longer be granted automatic entry to the UK. They will need to meet the same salary requirements as their partners. This means, if your spouse wants to come and live with you in the UK, they must be on same salary scale as you. Otherwise, they will not be granted a visa. It is intended to reduce the number of people who come to the UK to join family members rather than to work. Number 4 is that the government will review and adjust the list of occupations that are considered to be in the shortage list. This is to make sure that the list is still relevant and accurate and that employers are not using it to employ foreign workers for jobs that they could fill up with British workers. The income for family visas will be £38,700, and it is the same threshold as the minimum salary threshold for skilled workers. The Home Secretary said that they will tighten the rules on students bringing family members to the UK, and the Migration Advisory Committee will also review the graduate route. The 5th, which is the last point, is that the government will take steps to crack down on this view of immigration systems such as sham and fake marriages, bogus and fake students that have beaten up the system for so long. This is intended to make sure that the system is fair and that only those who are entitled to live in the UK are able to do so. The Shadow Home Secretary, Yet Cooper, criticized James Cleverly's statement. She said the Conservative government has no serious plan for the country. The Shadow Home Secretary, Yet Cooper, added that this is another example of the total chaos at the heart of this government. She said the Conservative Party promised to reduce migration and failed as a result of their policies. She added that there is a need for a proper plan with clear links between the immigration system training, the economy and workforce plans. The government has said that these measures will help to reduce net migration to sustainable levels. However, it is unclear how effective they will be. Some experts have argued and said in conclusion that they will simply make it more difficult for businesses to recruit workers. Some others have said that they are necessary to control immigration. I will wrap up here. I do hope that this video has been informative. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell icon to always be notified anytime updates like this are uploaded. Thank you for watching till the end. See you in the next video. Take care.